everyone, and welcome to my channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed here today, and happy new year. I really hope you and your family members are doing amazing and of course are in good health. So today's video is my 2021 digital visual board. I pray that 2021 is good to all of us, that we all are in good health and good spirit throughout the year. My motto this year is where the money resides, where the money resides.
We going, where the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside.
So sis, please do tell me what's your motto for 2021 and leave that in the comment section. I really want to see what's your motto for this year and what you want to accomplish this year. I'm really just curious to know. So before I start this video, I first want to tell you what a digital vision board is. So basically it's all my goals in a digital form. So basically, if I'm in matric this year and I want to be accepted into university and my dream university is UCT, I'll put a picture of UCT on my wallpaper or my homepage, or I'll put like accepted because that's what I want to accomplish. I want to be accepted into university. I want to pass matric with the Bachelor degree pass. That's if I'm in university. And also, like, let's say you a young adult and you want an apartment, you're gonna put a nice apartment that you want on your whole page, and you can put many different pictures that represent your goals. So that's basically what it is. But also keep in mind, even if you write your goals down, even if you put your goals on your wallpaper or your home screen, you need to work hard for it. Nothing comes easy in this world. If I this year want to accomplish a 75% and up average, I need to do my homework. I need to study. I need to make study notes. I need to attend classes. You need to work hard. That you can't just chill and be like, you know what, my dreams are gonna be accomplished, da 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 da. No, even in the Bible it says that God helps. He doesn't say that in the Bible. It says that what's this? God helps those that help themselves. So you should help yourself and give yourself a boost to actually work hard. Because what this digital visual board is to give you motivation whenever you're lazing around knowing that you have an assignment, is to look at your phone and be like, oh shit, I want to pass. I want to pass this year. I want to graduate in record time. I want to pass matric if you're in matric. I want to pass matric with a bachelor degree pass or get distinction. So you need to stop being lazy, work hard for every single thing that you want. And also do keep in mind, because I'm a firm believer of this, that your plans and your goals are small compared to God's goals for you. So God's goals are bigger and better than what you plan for yourself. So if you don't accomplish anything this year, or if you don't accomplish the things that you wanted, just keep in mind that it's not your time. It's probably also not God's plan for you, because the bigger picture here is also God's plan for you, that it's bigger and it's better for you. So just also keep in mind that it's probably not the path that God is planning for you. So yeah, that's a little bit of a tip of what you should do, and in terms of also what a digital visual board is. But without any further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so as you guys can see is that I already created my digital visual board for my laptop and also my iPad. I'll show you in a bit. Here's my laptop one. There we go. But I really don't like this one because I did a mistake. I was supposed to put in the dimensions of my laptop home screen, but I didn't do that. So now it cut down a few things. So I'm going to redo it when I have time. But the one on my iPad is completely, let me say clear, is completely fine. Look, I love it. I am in love with it. There we go. Yes, I really love it. And then this is also my home page. It's the same one. So right now what we're going to be doing is doing a digital visual board for my iPhone that I'm currently manifesting for. So when I get it, it already has a wallpaper and a home screen. Period. You know, that's how I manifest. I know it's very weird, but I already bought like a screen protector for the phone, a cover, a phone cover for the phone, and I think I have 3 covers for this phone because it's something that I'm paying with my own money that comes from my savings that I worked hard for, because I know, see, iPhone Vela it's I'm not saying an investment, but it's a phone that lasts long. Let me just say that it's a guarantee that it's gonna last long. That's if you know how to treat your phone and you take care of it. But the first thing that we are gonna go to is Pinterest. At this moment, Pinterest is babe. Pinterest is your whole and greely, because that's where you're gonna find all your pictures, download them, and then that's when we're gonna go and curate our magic. So okay, I already googled some, so just gonna Google what you want to, your goals, like the pictures that you want. The first thing I'm gonna do is to Google a lot of Jesus, God quotes, faith quotes, because I'm a huge Christian. And I think, as you can see from my thing, for my vision board, is there's a lot of quotes about God, Christianity, like, because that is literally who I am, and it's a huge part of my life. So, and I really want to have a strong connection with God throughout the year and just build it from that. So that is my main goal, is to have a strong connection with God. So let me just Google. So I just Google faith quotes. I love this one. Jesus can heal what you hiding. Oh, Jesus can heal what you hiding.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the.
Okay guys, so I think I am done getting all the pictures and everything. So the next app that we are gonna go to is an app called Fanto. So let's quickly go there. There you go. It looks like this, but I'll show. Okay guys, so the first thing, or the first picture that I'm going to put for my digital visual board is this beautiful quote that says, God is within her, she will not fail. As you guys know that I am a huge believer, I'm a huge Christian, so that will always remind me that I will never fail as long as I have God by my side. Then the next thing is think positively. As weird as it sounds, I'm sometimes someone that is very, let me just say, I think sometimes negative first before I think about the positive, and I think that is something really, really bad that I need to work on. I should first look at things in the positive light, then negative things. Then the second quote, of course, Jesus, the way, the truth, and the life. I don't think that quote needs explanation. It speaks for itself. And then the next thing aside that is the cross, of course, the Christian cross, because I'm Christian. And then the other side is consistency. I want to be consistent in my praying, in my manifesting, in my talking to God. I want to literally be very, very close to God this year and throughout the year. So I want to be very consistent, and I believe through praying and reading the Bible and being consistent like that every day, you get closer to God day by day by day. And I also want to be very consistent in terms of academically, study every day, push myself every day, attend lectures, being consistent with attending lectures, only being absent when I'm not feeling well and when I'm sick and I know that I can't do this, but even if I can't, to push myself. And also with YouTube, YouTube and Instagram, I want to be consistent. Literally my goal for YouTube is 42 videos, because they're 42 weeks in the year. So that's my quote. Then I also have a beautiful quote: keep going. Keep going to me, keep pushing, man. Keep pushing. You know, obstacles will come my way, but I need to know that I'm gonna keep pushing, and my end goal is literally to graduate, to literally have, you know, so many things that are also on YouTube, to accomplish so many things, to be closer to you guys. I really want to do that, so I need to keep pushing. Then the next quote is: passion plus consistency equals success. Beautiful quote. Beautiful, beautiful quote. I truly believe in something, like I truly believe in that, and I believe that if you're passionate about something, you are most definitely going to succeed, and it also will push you to be consistent in that thing because you're passionate about it, you love it, and you love doing it. Then the next picture is obviously a black lady that just graduated. That for me represents me graduating in record time, and that also represents me, because she looks like, you know, she's smart and everything like that, represents me, you know, graduating with cum laude or cum laude. Either one is really fine with me. I just don't want to be graduating just in jail. I want to be graduated with cum laude, semi cum laude, or something like that. Then underneath that one is I'm smart. I think sometimes I need to remind myself that I'm actually very intelligent. Hello, like some people, it finds them really hard to understand human anatomy, but with me, it gets like I understand it like this. Literally, I understand. I'm a very quick learner and a quick thinker, and I need to tell myself that I am intelligent, even when I see my marks, I'm like, you know what, this was online learning, you know, open book, you know, even though I tried last year by all means to not open a book during a test, and my results did show, because wow, like if you guys want a results video, I can most definitely show that, because once again my average was above 75% for my last year. So excited about that. And then also next to it, it says pray about everything, and that is something that I need to do more often when I'm going through anything or whatever. I need to pray about it, like, because then prayer for me is the answer to everything, most definitely. Then discipline. I need to be more. Discipline is one thing that I really want to focus on this year, in terms of being disciplined with my money, being disciplined with everything. But I feel like with my money, I've been very disciplined, because hence now I'm buying my own phone for my money. Like, no one bought this phone for me. Like, it's something that I have accomplished for my savings. And yeah, I really want to be more disciplined when it comes to money, and also want to be disciplined when it comes to my schoolwork, and also in terms of Christianity, reading the Bible every day and making a routine out of it. Then underneath that, the second one in the middle, it says saved by grace, and then after it says children of God, and that is basically me. Child of God, what am I saying? That is basically me. Then on the other side, it says YouTube. So YouTube is also a huge part of my life. YouTube and Instagram. I've actually really grown in the past year in terms of the both platforms, and I'm so happy because how can I put it? I know that I've grown, but I've also gained a lot of friends through YouTube and Instagram, and I'm really happy about that. Then also my another goal for YouTube is to buy a tripod and also a ring light. I'm literally manifesting that, to buy a tripod and a ring light, you know, to invest in this YouTube thing. Not to say that right now I'm not investing in it. No, it's just for me to, you know, upgrade my YouTube game, you know, because I don't have a tripod right now and I don't have a ring light. So yeah, guys, in terms of making videos consistently, because I don't have those things, and I know once I have those things, it'll be very easy for me to start making videos, you know. I mean, even though I do still make videos. Then my Instagram goal, my Instagram following goal is 5,000 followers. Yes, 5,000 followers. I want 5,000 followers in the end of the year. To me is I want 5,000 friends in the end of the year, social media friends. I know that for me to get 5,000, I need to push and work hard, post consistently, still be nice to everyone, because I'm literally on social media. I'm very, very, even face to face, like I'm very, very nice to every single person that I meet. Every DM I do answer. Literally, if you follow me and I follow you, like I'm always there commenting, shouting you out, putting you on my status. Like I'm a very interactive person on social media. Then obviously on YouTube, I want 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I want 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I don't know why 1,000 is so big, but this year I really want to accomplish 1,000. I do have a huge subscriber goal that I think I want to accomplish, like maybe in 5 years or 10 years. I'm praying for that, and it hasn't been done in South Africa. No South African YouTuber has ever reached that amount that I want, but I know I'm gonna do it. I know me, I'm gonna do it. I'll be the first. I don't care. I'll be the first, and I'm ready for that. So yeah, but from now I want 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Then what else? Then on this other side, it has a lady in a bathroom with money. So I'm wishing money to come to me, money from everywhere. I want just a lot of money. Well, I don't want to be rich. I want to be wealthy. If you know the difference, comment down below which one is more meaningful. I want to be wealthy, and I feel like rich people can be rich in one day. People can appear to be rich. I want to be wealthy throughout my life, and all in every different aspect of my life. I want to be wealthy, there's a huge difference between rich and wealthy, and I choose wealth. That's what I want. Then to end my digital visual board, I ended it off. Can I also put English? I'll put English also in here. Improve English. But I ended my visual board ending it like a prayer. So I said amen. Like this is me talking to God, and it is because I did write my goals down and I did pray about them, but more other goals also. And I'm ending my vision board as a prayer, and a prayer to God that God, here's my goals. This is what I accomplish. Make me be disciplined and make me want to work hard for these goals and accomplish it. Unfortunately, we had to come to the end of today's video, but please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. What is your motto for 2021? But other than that, I really do appreciate you guys. I love you guys. But for me, Baby Sunshine Legodi, bye.